If you're planning on having your chimney and fireplace professionally swept and inspected, you may have some questions about the process. In this video, we will give you a detailed breakdown of the professional chimney sweep and inspection process. But before we get into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha and Omega YouTube channel for more chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent related content. If you find this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and leave us a comment below. A professional chimney sweep and inspection is a multifaceted process that all professional chimney sweeps use to ensure your chimney and fireplace are sufficiently swept and fit for use. In this video, we've broken down the sweep and inspection process into the 4 vital steps that will bring your chimney and fireplace back to life. Step 1. Visual inspection. Your professional chimney sweep begins by visually inspecting the inside and outside of your home, looking for any potential hazards that could prevent direct access to your chimney or fireplace. They're also looking for potentially troublesome elements, such as debris, that can be easily removed prior to the start of the chimney inspection process. Step 2. Sweep and service. Once the visual inspection is complete, your professional chimney sweep will bring in the necessary tools required for the professional sweep and inspection. A professional chimney sweep takes great care of your home by ensuring your floor and surrounding surfaces are covered with drop cloths in order to prevent soot, dust, or other fire-related particles from dirtying your home. Once this is done, your professional chimney sweep will begin by sweeping out your firebox and servicing all moving parts, which is imperative to your chimney's functionality and safety. Step 3. Brushing. Once the firebox has been swept, your professional chimney sweep will begin running a brush through your chimney's venting. These brushes contain steel bristles that are used to scrape off soot, creosote, and ash from inside your chimney. During a level 2 sweep and inspection, your professional chimney sweep will use a 360-degree camera scope to check for cracks or internal damage that may have gone unnoticed or previously not visible. Step 4. Rooftop inspection. Now that your chimney has been swept and brushed, it's time to inspect the crown and cap of your chimney. Your professional chimney sweep will ensure there is no creosote buildup at the top of your chimney, and then sweep off the cap. During a level 2 sweep and inspection, a professional chimney sweep may also inspect your home's attic if it's accessible. Once those elements have been inspected and properly cleaned, your chimney is safe and ready for your family to enjoy. Now that you know the 4 vital steps taken during the professional chimney sweep and inspection process, it's time to give Alpha and Omega a call to schedule your sweep and inspection today. Alpha and Omega is Michigan's #1 chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent service provider, having served homeowners since 1997. Our team of industry-leading professionals are here to help you preserve the health and safety of your home by providing you with the services you need to keep your fire burning, keep your fireplace looking amazing, and most importantly, keep your home operating safely and efficiently. Call or click today to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega. Stay tuned for more content from Alpha and Omega. Thanks for watching.